Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G84 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on Google section. Now select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of, and enter your current login method. Then click on Delete button right next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!